Welcome everyone. Today, I am going to show you some incredible tips and tricks to enhance your Windows 11 experience. So, let's get started. First up, let's talk about customizing your taskbar alignment. Windows 11 introduces a major change by centering the Start button and pinned programs. But fear not. If you prefer the classic left side alignment, I have got you covered. Simply right-click on an empty space on the taskbar, select Taskbar Settings, navigate to Taskbar Behaviors, and under the taskbar alignment choose Left. Boom! Your Start button and pinned programs are now back where you like them. Now, let's move on to the updated right-click menu. Gone are the days of the old, clunky menu. Windows 11 brings a sleek, modern design to the table, making common actions like copying files or creating a shortcut is a breeze. Just right-click on a file in the File Explorer, and voila! You are greeted with a contextual menu tailored to your selection. Need that old menu? Simply click on More Options to unlock a treasure trove of features. Next, let's dive into theme customization. With Windows 11, you are not just limited to a handful of themes. From vibrant landscapes to sleek minimalism, there's something for everyone. Just right-click on the Windows icon and head over to Settings, click on Personalization, then select Themes. Browse through a diverse collection of themes and find the perfect one to express your style. Windows 11 introduces a slew of new shortcut keys to streamline your workflow. Need quick access to taskbar widgets? Just hit Windows key plus W, and the taskbar widgets will appear. Now, if you want to adjust your speaker volume or screen brightness, Windows logo plus A will open up this menu. Pressing Windows key with the N key opens up the notification panel and also your calendar. These shortcuts are a game changer, saving you time and effort with every keystroke. Now, let's talk about the built-in dictation tool. Say goodbye to typing and hello to effortless transcriptions. Just press Windows logo plus H and start speaking. Windows 11 will magically convert your words into text, allowing for hands-free typing and effortless transcriptions, making multitasking a breeze. Moving on to the emoji picker. Need to add some flair to your messages? Just hit Windows logo key and the period key. Choose from a vast selection of emojis, GIFs, and symbols to spice up your conversations. And who could forget about the clipboard history? Windows logo plus V opens up a world of possibilities. Quickly access your copied content, whether it's text, images, or GIFs. It's like having a virtual assistant at your fingertips. Windows 11's new Snap Layouts feature helps you organize open apps into a grid on your desktop, making it easier to use your screen space efficiently. To access Snap Layouts, simply hover your mouse over the Maximize button of an app window. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Windows key plus Z to display Snap Layouts. From there, you can select the desired windows to arrange them according to your preference. Another method is to drag a window to the top of the screen and drop it into one of the layout options provided. Stay organized and multitask efficiently by creating multiple virtual desktops. To access virtual desktops, press Windows key plus Tab to view all your desktops. You can create a new desktop by clicking on the plus New Desktop option or by pressing Windows key plus Control plus D. Drag windows between virtual desktops for seamless navigation and organization. Next, minimize distractions during work or gaming sessions by enabling Focus Assist. To access Focus Assist settings, right-click on the Start menu, go to Settings, then click on System and select Focus Assist. From there, you can customize how notifications are handled during specific activities or time periods, ensuring uninterrupted focus when you need it most. You can speed up window management with Snap Assist. To use Snap Assist, drag a window to the edge of your screen to automatically resize and snap it into place. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Windows key plus arrow keys for precise placement. This feature helps you arrange windows side by side for better multitasking. Customize your taskbar to suit your preferences. Right-click on an empty space on the taskbar, then select Taskbar Settings. From there, you can adjust various options such as icon arrangement and hiding or showing specific icons. You can reduce eye strain and enhance sleep quality by using Night Light. To activate Night Light, navigate to Settings, select System, and then choose Display. Turn on the Night Light feature to minimize blue light emissions from your screen, which is especially beneficial for use during the night. With Windows 11 you can enjoy immersive audio with dynamic sound. To access dynamic sound settings, go to Settings, then click on System and select Sound. Toggle on the mono audio option to let Windows 11 adjust sound settings based on your activity, providing optimal audio quality for different scenarios. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to mastering Windows 11. Have any tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time, happy computing.